Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everything About Accounting. Today we're talking about something super important, the 3 key accounting activities. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just curious, understanding these 3 pillars can give you a strong financial foundation. And don't worry, it's much easier than you think. Accounting matters because it helps us keep track of money, both in our personal lives and in business. Think of accounting like the language of money. And just like any language, once you know the basics, it all starts to make sense. So, what are the 3 main things accountants do? Let's break them down. First up, recording transactions. This is where it all begins. Every time money comes in or goes out, like when you make a sale, pay a bill, or buy supplies, it gets recorded. Accountants use tools like journals and ledgers to keep things organized. Accurate records are the foundation for everything else in accounting. Without them, you can't track how well you're doing. Once the numbers are recorded, the next step is analyzing financial data. This means looking at the numbers to understand how the business is performing. Are we making a profit? Do we have enough cash to pay the bills? How much do we owe? We use things like financial ratios and trends to answer these questions. This analysis helps business owners, investors, and managers make smarter decisions. And finally, reporting financial information. This is where accountants prepare financial statements, like the balance sheet, the income statement, and the cash flow statement. These reports show the financial health of a company. And because they follow accounting standards, anyone reading them, like banks, investors, or tax agencies, can trust the numbers. Good reporting means better communication and better decisions. So there you have it. The 3 key accounting activities are: 1. Recording transactions. 2. Analyzing financial data. 3. Reporting financial information. Accounting is more than just numbers. It's a powerful tool that helps people and businesses succeed. Now that you understand the basics, keep learning and exploring the world of accounting. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a helpful video. Thanks for watching Everything About Accounting. See you in the next one.